In this video, I am going to show you how to install and watch Funimation on FireStick and Kodi quickly and easily. Funimation is a popular streaming service for anime, and you can access it through both FireStick and Kodi. For FireStick, first turn on your FireStick and navigate to the Amazon App Store. In the search bar, type Funimation and select the official Funimation app from the search results. Click on Get or Download to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Funimation app and log in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the app. After logging in, you can start watching your favorite anime content. For Kodi, to watch Funimation on Kodi, you need to install the Funimation add-on. Open Kodi on your device and go to Settings, Gear icon. Select System and go to Add-ons. Enable unknown sources to install third-party add-ons. Now, go back to the main screen and click on File Manager. Select Add Source, then enter the URL for the Funimation repository. You can find it online from trusted sources. After adding the source, return to the Add-ons section and click on Install from zip file. Select the Funimation repository and install the Funimation add-on. Once installed, go to Video Add-ons and launch Funimation. Log into your account and enjoy streaming your favorite anime. That's it. You've successfully learned how to install and watch Funimation on FireStick and Kodi. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.